Hey there, Para folks! Here's how you can add mods in Paralives. If you're looking to improve certain quality of life features or add extra content to the game, you can do so through the Mods menu on the main screen. From the main menu, simply click on Mods. Now, unless you're a mod developer yourself, you'll most likely want to select the Browse option. Doing this will open the Steam Workshop page for Paralives, where you can browse through a wide variety of available mods for the game. To view more details about a specific mod, simply click on it to open its page. If you find one you like, press the subscribe button and Steam will automatically download and install the mod for you. You can continue browsing for additional mods afterward, and if you want a faster way to add more of them, simply click the small green plus button located on the lower right corner of each mod thumbnail. Steam will then automatically download those mods as well. Once you return to the game, the downloaded mods will already appear in your mods list and should be enabled automatically. As long as they remain enabled in the list, the mods will be active during gameplay, and that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next side quest.